This demand area is very strong. If you have been, oh, I'm going heavy on this one right here, guys. I'm going to do a withdrawal today. We have a what? Red green pattern. Green, red, green, red. Red candle creates a higher high compared to the green candle. So that's still engulf the candle which is being engulfed. Then we have our area, we take our trade, and the price is dropping massive. That the market cannot move without supply and demand. If you make a slight mistake, your trade could be a losing trade. Reversal candle is here, and look how the price is moving. Beautiful. Okay, I'm taking this trade right here for 2, guys, and the reason why I'm taking this for 2 right here, it's because you can see this demand area. If you know about candlestick psychology, you know that this demand area is very strong. If you have been on the channel for a while, you know that this demand area is strong. If you look here, the engulfing candle, the candle which has been engulfed, and look at the rejection. Look how sharp this rejection is, guys. You see that for yourself. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. You see, the price is trying not to come down too much, but I saw the opportunity and I take it. Now, what we always do, we mark the engulf, the candle which has been engulfed. If you look right there, okay, and then we always try to go with the trend, but in this case I'm going against the trend. Well, I'm going to show you how powerful supply and demand is. Even when I'm going against the trend, look how the trade is playing out, guys. Look at this. You see that rejection? Look at that. You're seeing this 4K. Come on now. Come on. Oh, my entry is not really good right there, guys. If you see, I was trying to enter right and the line right here, but the price just rejected immediately. But I'm expecting a rejection here, but let's see what's gonna happen. All right, if you pay attention closely, you could see a downtrend. Okay, so this is probably why the price is struggling so much. All right, no problem. Oh, I'm going heavy on this one right here because, guys, previously see that I lose a double trade, so I have to take 4 more trades to recover my loss. Look at that rejection. Look at that. Look at that. Hold on, let me show you something. If you see clearly right here, we have a engulf. We have the candle which has been engulfed. We have a what? Red green pattern. Green, red, green, red. No green, my bad. So I'm expecting a red, but just look how much market sentiment behavior is going on this one single trade. Look at this. You see that rejection, how clear that is? And this is how beautiful supply and demand is. I want you guys to know that the market cannot move without supply and demand, right? Because supply and demand is what push price up and down. Okay, hope you get that. Okay, I'm taking this trade right here for 2, guys, and the reason why I'm doing this, as you see very clearly, there is a downward trend plus there is a supply area, and we all know that whenever we take our trades with the trend, it strengthens the trade. Okay, no, you can't just take trade with the trend only. You need a very strong pattern, for instance, like supply and demand right here. See this, guys, for yourself. Look how this is dropping. So we have the engulf, the candle which is being engulfed. Then we have our area, we take our trade, and the price is dropping massively. Look at that. You're seeing this for yourself. Look at how beautiful this trade is. Nice trade. Okay, I know that this trade is against the trend, but guys, as I always say to you before, the trend is not the main thing in the strategy here. When I say you should go with the trend, I'm just saying that you should go with the trend after you see your favorite strategy, whatever strategy you're using. The trend only helps the trade, it doesn't define the trade. Okay, so I don't want you guys to get that confused, because supply and demand is actually what defines the trade. Okay, if you see right here, I'm literally going against the trend. I'm literally counter trend trading. Look at this. Look at that. See, the trend is going down and my trade is still winning. That's what I'm saying. Look at that for yourself. Look at that rejection. It's so beautiful, and this is the power of supply and demand in the financial market. Okay, I'm taking this one right here. This trade is very decent in my belief. If you look closely, you can see that this engulfing candle is a very solid one. But at the end of the day, I want you guys to know something. Sometimes even good trades can fail because the market is trying to go somewhere else. Okay, which that is fine, right? Because all you need to do is just recover that loss. Don't be emotional. Okay, so I'm going heavy on this one right here, because as you see previously, the trade was a failed trade. So what I do, I don't just randomly take a next trade. I wait patiently for another opportunity, so that way I can take my trade. Okay, nicely done. Ooh, my guys, the price came down, but by the time I entered, the price rejected. This was so crazy. Now the reason why I took this trade, guys, as you see, we're with the trend and stuff like that, but this trade, oh my god, this trade is so crazy. It's okay if it lose, no problem. All right, my entry was so terrible previously, guys. The trade wasn't a good trade, and that's the reason why it failed. Like, there's just so much things wrong with that trade, but it's fine. And this is the thing about the trading, guys. I want you to know something. Even when you are a professional trader, if you make a slight mistake, your trade could be a losing trade. And that's the reason why when you lose a trade, you cannot go into revenge mode or FOMO or stuff like that. You have to stay very calm in your mind. You see how I'm staying calm? Now I'm winning my next trade and I'm doubling up and I'm still in profit. Look at that. Look at that. That lose didn't do nothing. Okay, I'm taking this one right here. This trade is in a very weird spot, but the demand area is very strong. If you look very closely, you can see how beautiful, strong this engulfing candle is. But you could see that this trend is very strong. It's very strong. I'm not gonna lie, but the demand area is decent enough to fight the price. Plus, I see a reversal candle on this one here, so that helps the price. If you look closely, the red candle creates a higher high compared to the green candle. That's telling me buyers is here, plus the demand area is here. Okay, reversal candle is here, and look how the price is moving. Beautiful. You know what, guys, I'm going to do a withdrawal today. I'm gonna be doing about 7,000. Yeah, I'm gonna do 7,000. I'm going to paste my wallet address. Okay, so this will be the end of my video. If you want to learn more about supply and demand, you can watch this video right here, or you can watch the playlist. See you in the next video. Peace.